everyone. Welcome to Affiliate A to Z. I'm Ann Paris. I'm an affiliate manager at the Apogee Agency, and we're pulling together these videos to answer commonly asked questions that we get from our affiliates. And here's Lindsay.
And I'm Lindsay Kometz, the Z, and I'm the outreach manager here at Apogee, and super excited to bring this training.
For our first topic, we wanted to talk about the first 5 things to do when you join a new affiliate program. And I think you'll find this helpful. And if you have any questions, please hit us up in the comments when you're done or at any point. We answer our comments routinely.
So the first thing that I always have suggested you do is to check the terms of service or the policies, the rules for each individual program, because each one is going to be a little bit different. Some programs allow you to order directly through your link, some do not. Some allow you to do an email, some do not. So each one is going to be a little bit different.
And luckily at Apogee, in all of our programs to date, you are allowed to purchase through your own links. In fact, we encourage it. We very often don't have product for you to sample. It depends on the client. Most don't. And in that case, if you shop through your own links to do a review or a blog post, then you can you know how the order processing works, and you can add those tips and tricks to your content to better help your audience and to help convert sales.
Right. You can show the user experience or the customer experience from the very beginning to the very end.
And it's something you want to know, because if you have a bad experience, please let us know. That's something that we can take to the client to where it can be improved. And you may not want to, you may find something that you don't like that means that you can't recommend that product and stay in that program. And that's fine too. We want to run good programs with people who are in them, who are active and want to share them with their audiences.
Well, and also we want to, you are representing a product that you're familiar with and like, or that, you can speak authentically. I think part of being in this, what is the word I'm looking for? Not the blogosphere is the word I normally use.
Industry.
Being in this industry, yes, you want to be authentic with your readers and any followers and stuff, and be able to speak to it all, and also to be able to answer any questions that they may have as well.
Yeah, and I think, and then kind of the unspoken thing when I tell people to shop through their own links is, so I have to buy something myself for every single affiliate product I want to recommend. That seems like a lot and expensive. And the thing is, no, you don't have to buy something. You can do your research on the product without having purchased it to still talk about it. And the thing is, you're not looking for something you love. I almost never express an opinion about the product. What I am doing is I am helping my readers solve a problem. So I am looking at that site to see what problems will this product or service help my readers solve. And I don't have to have used it to be able to recommend it and speak about the product. You can research it on the website. So there's a third way that doesn't cost you any money. It just takes you some time to investigate the product.
Right. But we hope that you'll like it. We want you to like it and talk about it, and
Yeah, the thing is, if we had a mattress program, we can't give every affiliate a free mattress, and we can't expect every affiliate to buy a mattress. But you can look at the website and compare the shipping costs, and
right.
break that down in a blog post, in a comparison blog post. There are ways. And then the second thing that we want you to do when you join a new program is to check out the coupon and deals section. I feel like this is really underutilized when I see content that our affiliates have created that's like a regular blog post. Very often there'll be a great call to action at the end, but I feel like what it's very often missing, and where you can lose a part of your commission, is it's normal for that shopper to now go to the internet and Google affiliate or the program's name, coupon. If you give them a coupon right then, and we always have coupons for all of our programs in the coupons and deals section, you can provide it to them. And sometimes it's better than some of the coupons that are out there in the wild on the big coupon sites. So if you give it, then they don't have to search for it. And it can also be the incentive that it takes to close the sale, because very often it'll be a free shipping deal, or a dollar amount off, or a higher percentage than other coupons are. So check those coupons and deals. Those are updated regularly. They should always be fresh, tasty coupons that work. And the deals come and go. Very often they're flash deals. I know one of my clients had a super sale in November, that if they ever have it again, it'll only be in November. And people who watch the deal section and, got in on it and made a lot of money.
Well, and two, it's those deals can help you create new content or think of things that you may have already written, which is kind of segueing into our other tips. But sometimes from those coupons or deals, you may see other content ideas that you can create around those that again will solve the problem with that particular deal or that particular product. There was one that I saw recently that the main product that I have talked about before, there was a sale on something else. And so I was like, oh, so it was the same company, but a different product from their product line that I was not familiar with. And so I was able to kind of, bring them together and make a sale on both.
And we're always kind of competing with Amazon. And one way to make your product, the program you're talking about, more appealing is note if there are any free shipping deals or if free shipping is standard. And if so, it's a good idea to add that to your copy, because again, that can help people to make that decision to buy through your links and not to go to Amazon and look for those same kind of things. And then check the newsletters. Newsletters for programs are, the past newsletters are archived on ShareASale. And once you're in the program, you can access them. And those can be a really rich source of content ideas. And you can sort of see the cycle of the year to see, oh, just a glance, I can see the last year's newsletters and I see, wow, fourth quarter is the big time for this. Or in some programs, you'll find out that it's not necessarily a big fourth quarter boom. One of my clients right now provides legal services, and their big time is going on right now, first quarter. So it can help you plan out your content and to see, and your promotions as well. Because some products are better for content and some are better for social media, where you can just push them out right then for deals and sales and small dollar items.
Right. And health and wellness is also super popular now, where it's not as much in fourth quarter, but you get the first quarter boom. So you can also plan your year based around that as well.
And it's common sense, and you know it. Most people, I think, instinctively know it, but spend a little time thinking about, well, what are the topics I cover on my site? And if it's health and wellness, people are sweating it January to beach season, and then it tapers off. So we've got skinny fit season that leads into the last half of the year, which is stuff my face and be comfortable season.
All the food.
Yeah.
All the
food does really well in fourth quarter. Yes. And then number 3, Lindsay.
Reaching out to your manager. Your affiliate manager can be one of your greatest assets. The affiliate manager knows they have a direct line to that brand, and they're going to know they have ideas of ways to create content. They may have ideas for old content that you have. They may know of some things that are upcoming. If there are any opportunities that are upcoming, like that, is become friends. The managers are great because those are your direct connection to that program, and that is what they are there for.
I would love it if people would reach out to me. And of course, we always say this, don't ask me for anything. Don't ask me for a freebie. I can't always get a freebie. The thing is that I have a few programs where I can get you a sample, but I will tell you when I can get you a sample, because very often I need your content to very, very specifically match up with whatever the product is. And I can't just pass it out. But yeah, I love to kind of help people troubleshoot their content to see what will be a great fit for them. For some people, if a review would do great, or to work it into like a storytelling kind of post, because that's where my experience can meet with your knowledge of your audience and the kind of content you like to create.
We talk a lot about how relationships matter. And so one of them that is probably underutilized is the relationship between the affiliate and the affiliate manager.
I'm so lonely. Email me.
That is one that can be so beneficial for both, on both sides, but can really help you to grow and to get ideas. And sometimes, like, having another set of eyes on your content, a lot of times when you're creating your own content, you're a little too close to it to see more opportunity, and just having another perspective and another set of eyes that look at it can be really helpful.
I'm always surprised at what people don't know, and I see now that there is blogger brain and then there's affiliate brain, and Greg's always told us think like an affiliate, and that's what I think he's trained both you and me to do, to think like an affiliate. And I remember I was at a conference speaking last year, and I was talking with the attendee about using one of our programs in some content, and I said, mix it in with this other place and this place, and she goes, you mean I can mix multiple affiliate programs on the same post? And I didn't know people didn't know that. But for bloggers, when you're working with a brand, you're gonna, by golly, not mention another brand. But that's not true with affiliate. So talk to us, and maybe you've got need a little paradigm shift, and we can help you out with that.
Yeah, there is a bridge that needs to be built, that between the blogger mind and the affiliate mind. And as you and I said, you and I both come from a blogger background, and my eyes have been opened in the
Yeah,
last
that's
months.
right. And Lindsay and I have both been bloggers for 10 years at least. So we speak your language, and we're here to help you. Yeah. And so number 4.
So it is thinking about the content that you already have and how you can update that content to work with your new affiliate program that you've just joined. I think that there was a misconception that I had as a blogger, that when I joined a new program that I needed to create a whole bunch of new content for it, when what was actually true is that I had a lot of great content that the program could solve. And so just going back, and that's actually was the first thing that I did, was update old content to use the product as a solution, and immediately started seeing results from that.
Yeah. And I mean, you've worked on your blog for years. You've got a ton of great content. Look and see what can fit. Do a search of your own site and see what you've already got. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. I've got on one of my websites, I've got 2,500 blog posts, and I bet there's right now, even as a professional in affiliate marketing, I've got content that I could put affiliate links into that I'm underutilizing, that I could make more money at.
Well, and one of our favorite tools that we talk about all the time
Mhm.
can actually make that very easy to do. It seems daunting when you say, oh my gosh, I have to update 2,500 posts. Well, no,
Yeah.
there's a tool that can help you with that.
And so we're talking about Pretty Links,
Yes.
and it has a great free basic service to where you can brand your links. It gives you a beautiful little short link, but the premium it's worth the premium in our opinion, because you get a superpower with it. And tell them about the premium and your experience with it, Lindsay, what you did when you activated it.
Yeah, so this was my one of my biggest aha moments. Was you can actually set terms, and it will scan your entire website to automatically insert that link to those terms.
So you mean, like, I have a post with a lot of cocktails in it. I'm sorry, I have a blog with a lot of cocktail recipes on it. I
Right.
can set the term vodka or Tito's vodka and then make it magical link to my
Absolutely.
alcohol affiliate program, and it'll go through my whole blog.
The whole
And
block.
anywhere I put the word vodka, it'll link with my affiliate link to and so that makes it easy, because if I change programs, I could change all of those links just by going into the plugin dashboard and changing it in one spot, and it'll flow through my whole site.
Right.
It's genius. And so what was the traffic that you saw, like the clicks right away?
Well, that was, I think, one part of what made it so eye-opening was that because I was not, which this is bad, I was not checking my traffic, my clicks through the share sale network or the Refersion or whatever. And so I wasn't seeing that things were happening as quickly as they were. So, but when I put Pretty Links Pro, I was seeing, wow, I'm getting so many clicks. But when I wasn't getting conversions, then I went to my affiliate manager. I said, I'm getting a lot of clicks. What can we do to, like, can you see something that I don't see? And he gave me a suggestion, and I changed a little bit of the verbiage and put in a call to action, and almost immediately started getting sales. The clicks, I didn't know the clicks were happening. I didn't see that the clicks were happening. And so it's been really neat now, right inside of my dashboard, my WordPress dashboard, that I'm able to see just how much traffic is going to those links and the conversion rate and stuff. It's really neat.
And it's making some money, which is
It's
awesome.
making some
And
money.
that's the point of what we do. It's not we're not here for funsies,
Right.
although it is fun. Um, but so while it's good to go back and look at your existing content to see where you can improve, our fifth point is creating new content specifically for the new program that you're in. And Lindsay, what have you got on that?
Yeah. So again, we want you to represent and work with companies that you already have some sort of connection to. If you're a food blogger working with food, if you're lifestyle, you can be a little more broad. If you're in the automotive, working with that. And so, you can let these programs and these commission rates help you decide what new content to talk about. In the instance that we talked about a few minutes ago, I saw that a product that I had not yet talked about was on promo. And so I was able to create content to talk about that one. And it was kind of you've already seen that I love product ABC. Check out this product by the same company, XYZ. And so I was able to create new content, which worked great for SEO because they linked, they're related. It was able to be that nice little Christmas tree effect of, linking things together. But they link to each other, but also recommend each other. So I end up getting the traffic and the links and the clicks and the conversions to both.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. So, and that's what we're here for. We're here to help you maximize your existing content. We're here to help you plan your new content. We have a few rules, but it's easy to stay in compliance with them. Basically, if you're a blogger and you're not buying Google ads and you're not purely a coupon site, you don't have very much to worry about. And ask about the coupons and the deals. And the best way to always be current is to check in the platform coupon and deal site, especially for ShareASale. But also we send out monthly or biweekly newsletters for every single program that we run here on Apogee. And those are an excellent source of the coupons, the deals, the banners, and ideas for content and tips on what the program is up to, what they're selling, what's new, what's hot, that kind of thing. And we're always here for you. And we look forward to doing more of these videos. If you have any questions, burning questions about affiliate marketing, leave them for us down below. Like I said, we'll check on it. And make sure to click like and subscribe. And welcome to our newest series of Apogee videos of affiliate marketing A to Z. I'm the A and she's
I'm
the
the
Z.
Z.
Thanks, everybody.